Milk, a simple drink, yet inside the human body, it begins an extraordinary journey. As it reaches the mouth, the body prepares itself, and every organ works in harmony. The brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and intestines stand ready to receive the incoming stream of nourishment. The moment milk enters the stomach, it blends with digestive fluids and begins to break down. Proteins, vitamins, and minerals start unlocking, preparing for absorption. Moving deeper into the intestines, milk's nutrients are drawn into the tiny villi that line the intestinal walls. Here, microscopic particles glow with energy as they enter the bloodstream, carried throughout the entire body. These nutrients travel to the brain, supporting mental clarity and healthy neural activity. Neurons spark with stronger connections, and synapses brighten as they transmit signals with better efficiency. In the muscles, amino acids from milk help repair and nourish tissue, delivering strength and recovery. Deep within the gut, the microbiome comes alive. Healthy bacteria thrive, creating balance and supporting digestion. An overall surge of vitality spreads through the body, lighting up the organs and restoring energy from within. But milk can affect individuals differently. For some, it may irritate the stomach's lining, causing discomfort. Others may experience allergic reactions, with the skin reacting to certain proteins found in milk. In some cases, lactose can lead to a rise in blood sugar, sending excess glucose into the bloodstream. And when the body struggles to process milk efficiently, fatigue and low energy may follow. Milk is powerful, offering nourishment, strength, and wellness, but also carrying potential challenges depending on each body's unique response. Understanding how milk interacts with the human system helps us appreciate both its benefits and its possible effects.